hiking Munns Canyon, trying to get to the Hangover Trail, which is supposedly one of the best trails in Sedona. Why are you turned around the other way? We're just hiking Munns Canyon. God. We're just hiking. I was about to say it again. We were just hiking Munns Wagon, and it was like 17 degrees. The weather said that it felt like 14. And as you see, this is what I'm wearing, and I didn't realize I needed an Everest expedition rated goose down full body suit, like a unitard, to come to the desert in Arizona. And I think I got frostbite as well. But anyway, we're out. She has hand warmers, and we're out here in the sun now. I feel like I need to wear my birthday suit because now I'm hot.
No, I'm cold. It's cold.
And that's why we didn't film that part, because it honestly kind of sucked. So now we're heading over to all this red sandstone over here. My nose is like draining from how cold it was, and hopefully this will be a more enjoyable experience. All right, let's get on with it. Down dog. Down dog. Spin. Spin. Good boy. Shake. Shake. Good. Up. Kiss. Good boy. Here you go. It is so quiet out here. It is not crowded whatsoever, with the exception of the occasional tourist helicopter or airplane or ATV or Jeep, but really we haven't seen any of that this morning. So I think coming here during a shoulder season was a wise choice.
The only sacrifice of coming out this time of year is my blood froze. And even though it's now warm and we're in direct sunshine, I'm still cold because that is how low my core dropped.
Besides our footsteps, it is dead quiet out here. It's so nice. You can't hear anything. Quite a bit of exposure out here as you traverse along the sandstone, but unless you're wearing horseshoes, the slick rock is actually quite grippy. And we tend to wear the approach shoes that La Sportiva makes, and there's really no slippage at all. We wear them all the time in Colorado, so we figured it would be fine for Arizona. Well, use your GPS, because I don't know if we took a wrong turn. I mean, we kept going straight and following the trail, but we ended up on a really exposed section, which actually ended up being pretty fun. So maybe we'll find the correct trail this time. Oh, and you're going counterclockwise. Trail actually switchbacks down. It looks like it kind of just keeps going straight and across. And there were very faded little chevron marks pointing this way. I think it was a little too vague and we just didn't catch it in time. But we're on the right path now.
We're burning through the city of lights. You're the sunshine on my mind. We're burning through the city of lights.
We're wrapping this up. Probably have about a quarter mile left. It got really warm, but not overwhelming. Just enough to make me a tad thirsty. But I absolutely love this trail. It was incredible. All the things you get to see. It's just diverse. It's adventurous. It's pretty much everything I look for in a hike. So.
You know when the calling's calling.